I'm Steve Jefferson in downtown Louisville, where a second night of unrest is underway right now. As you can see here, Louisville police, they're at a standoff with protesters from the demonstration earlier today. The demonstrators are on church property. Right now, Louisville is under a 9 p.m. curfew, and several people have already been arrested and taken to jail. This confrontation continues tonight here in downtown Louisville, where protesters again are upset about the outcome of the grand jury in the Breonna Taylor case. We will continue to follow this situation here in Louisville, where again there is a second night of unrest.
Verify exists to answer your questions and put it all into context. And with the news of yesterday's indictment in the case of Breonna Taylor's death, there's no shortage of misinformation. Just one of the officers involved was indicted on 3 counts of wanton endangerment for shooting into Taylor's neighbor's apartment. We're going to break down some of the looming questions, starting with which paths this case could take. Second, is it possible for that former officer, Brett HANKISON, to plead guilty and serve little to no jail time? Now, we can't tell the future, but here's what the experts told us. Our Verify team spoke with law professors Christopher Polito at Northern Kentucky University and Leslie Abramson at the University of Louisville. First, what happens next? What are the different routes this case could take? Our experts say there are 2 ways this trial could turn. There could be a plea deal offered or a trial by jury. Here are a couple of examples of what they say a plea deal could look like. HANKISON could accept probation or little to no jail time. Or, Polito told us, HANKISON could enter something called the Felony Diversion Program, where after an agreed-upon number of years of probation served, the case would be dismissed, and he could ask for his record to be expunged. Remember, it's up to the judge to agree on any plea deal. If his attorneys don't like the offer, they could risk a jury trial, and with that, there are a number of different outcomes. So what could sentencing look like if convicted?
All Class D felonies are eligible for probation in Kentucky.
So does that mean it's possible for HANKISON to plead guilty and serve little to no jail time? Our experts say yes.
And remember, if you have something you want us to verify, just send us a message, share a link or a screenshot of what you'd like us to investigate, and you can reach us here on Facebook, Twitter, or send us an email at verify@WTHR.com.